Hello and welcome to another DIY Quick Craft with Miss Abigail from the Harris-Elmore and Genoa Libraries. Today I will be showing you how to make this fun and easy citrus garland perfect for the holiday season. To get this craft started, you will need a baking sheet and your citrus fruit. You can use any citrus you have around the house, but today I will be using some oranges. You'll also need a mandolin cutter or a sharp knife, any type of string or twine, an absorbent kitchen towel, and a bobby pin. You want to start slicing your oranges peel on. These slices should be about 1/4 inch thick. For best results, use a sharp mandolin. In my case, I found that a knife worked better, but my cuts were not as uniform. But don't be worried, we are aiming for the homemade look anyway. After you are done cutting your fruits, you will take your kitchen towel and begin patting the excess moisture out of the citrus. It is important that you try to get the fruit as dry as possible, as this will cut down the time it takes to completely dehydrate the garland. Line up your fruits on your baking sheet and put it in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3.5 hours, or until fully dehydrated. Be sure to flip your fruit at the halfway mark. Once the fruit is fully dry, take the slices and set them aside to cool. Once they are dry, take a slice of the citrus and poke 2 holes in the top flesh with the bobby pin. Thread your string through the holes so that the citrus hangs. Continue this process until all your slices are on the same string. For hanging purposes, I added knots to the end of my string. And there you have it, a new decoration that smells good too.